All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Wish. All right. In this channel, I cover stock videos. I do crypto analysis. I give you guys some simple technical analysis with plenty of tutorials. So if you have any suggestions or you guys have a stock or crypto you want me to analyze, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I do viewer requests frequently, and I'm going to start trying to upload them on Fridays now. So you can look forward to all the viewer requests coming out on Friday. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, we're going to go ahead and dive right into it. And we're looking at the 180-day 4-hour chart. Okay, and yes, hey, we have some very big trend lines drawn up. Okay, we have this huge trend line going down. And then if you look at the RSI down here, we have a huge trend line, okay, going up. All right, now this is what's known as bullish divergence. If you aren't too familiar with divergence and bullish or bearish divergence, I have a very quick tutorial in the top right-hand video. So, with that being said, you can watch that or I'll break it down real quick. What it is when the stock price is going lower and making a lower low, right? But the RSI is making higher lows. All right. So if you see here, we have a low, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, right? Keeps going down. But on the RSI, it's a low here, it's a higher low here, higher low here, higher low here, higher low here. So that's our bullish divergence. And you could expect to see a pop in the stock Wish here soon. Okay. Now, Wish has been bleeding. Let's zoom out here, okay? It has been going down ever since summer 2021. It hit highs of like 17 bucks and has just gone straight down since. Okay, we're trading at $2.50 right now. So our next key major support level, okay, I'm going to give you guys the major support and resistance levels in case you can't read them. Feel free to screenshot this and use this to set it up on your own screen, okay? But our major support level is going to be 2.36, right? We need to hold that support. If we break 2.36, we could head down to $2 or 1.57. That's going to be our next major support level, okay? For right now, major resistance is going to be at 3.08 and then 3.88, all right? So, if there is a little bit of bullish activity, we might get stopped out at 3.08 or in between 3.08 and 3.88. So if you are maintaining and watching an eye on this and you are able to catch a bullish run sometime in the near future, look for it to either get rejected here and come back down, right? Or we could do that, come back down and then rally up to here, right? Or, we could just kind of pitter patter and go up, down, up, and then come back down. All right. The trend is down. Don't fight the trend. Okay. I don't think that, honestly, if you're bullish on Wish, this is a great time to start investing long term, 5 to 10 years, right? If you think Wish is going to be a company that's still around 5 to 10 years from now, and it's currently trading at $2.50, like down dramatically over 50-60% from its highs, then this is a great time to start investing. Okay. It can't get much better than this for you if you're a great long-term investor and you have really good, you have strong conviction. This is a high conviction play for you, right? Because what you want to do is you want to buy when everyone else is panicking and selling. All right. Small caps are being absolutely crushed and destroyed right now by hedge funds and institutions, right? What they're doing is they're saying, okay, well, this is working, right? We're shorting it. And the more we short it, the more retail traders just sell off because they're tired of watching it bleed and they've been bag holding and now they're down 50%. Oh, now we got them down 60%, got that guy to sell off. Hey, we got another guy who's only down 40%. Let's push him down and make him sell. All right. That's what's going on with the small caps. But, it is still possible to trade these, trading calls and options. All right. So we trade calls and we trade options. We trade puts, things like that in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. I've got several videos. I'm uploading videos daily, if not every other day now, of the Options Trading Tycoons profits. And these are all like daily profits or a couple swing trade profits. But we're making big profits every day. So if you guys want to trade with us and you need help finding guidance and you just, you need a little bit of mentorship, we'll be there for you guys. We have new members joining every day. People, paying for their a whole year membership fee with one trade on their first trade they join. Okay. You know, lots of people made a lot of money today. For instance, in the market, we were shorting the market on Friday. It's Monday now. That paid off well. And, you know, many people are saying, oh, I've never made $5,000 in an hour before or half an hour, right? That's some of the stuff that goes on with the options trading tycoons. Okay, so please join that. The link is down below in the description. If you use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, you'll get a discount on your membership. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.